Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm pretending I'm new to the game. Okay. Hey, sir! Sir? Hey, can you teach me how to play? I know, I'm playing on my brother's Oculus. Thank you. Hey! What happened? Okay. Should I say yes? Because I just did. Okay. Yes. I want to see what my joystick does. Does nothing. Oh, it does. Okay. Oh, I can crawl. That's cool. I'm coming. Huh? I'm coming. My game glitched. I just went on my brother's Oculus. I'm following you. Wait, see I have to go in. Okay. I'm in. What does this button do? Oh, my brother already claimed it today. What's the way? Hit someone differently with the cannon. I bet. What cosmetics do I don't know why my brother has the phone cosmetic. How does he even get the phone cosmetic? Okay. How do people get the phone cosmetic? Because I might get my own VR soon. Do I grab on this? Do I do this? My brother, I saw tutorial videos a little bit. I mostly went in tutorial. No. Should we peak climb? Is this how to climb stuff? Do you do this to climb stuff? Ow! I'm up. Ah! What does this button do? What does this thing do? Ooh. Just like Minecraft! Ah! What happens if you grab it like this? Ooh. My brother has so much items. What are the camel mods? Why does my brother have this? Ah! seen that block before because I'm new. I've never seen any blocks like this. Feels familiar to Minecraft a little bit. I feel like I mean Minecraft because some of the blocks are square. Can I have one? I want to throw it. Ooh. What does... Ah! What does this do? Hey, hey, hey. So what does these two do? Ooh, that's cool. What does this do? I'm gonna throw this. Woo, it's just like an ender pearl from Minecraft. Hey, so, can I tell you something? So, can I tell you something? So, I'm not new, and also you've been a good guy. Dab me up, bro. And also, say hi to YouTube. Bluetooth? What's Bluetooth? It's not Bluetooth. It's more like Bluetooth. I can spin. But you've been a good guy, and I'm gonna do a drum session. Today we're gonna play parkour. You've been a nice dude. Ow. Guess what, guys? Ah! You just exploded. I keep it on the cover. Ah, you want me away from my song. Who turns it off? My song. Stop, I like the song on. I have grapplers. You want to see them? Dang, I have lots of stuff. I got bushes. Hey, do you want to help me with my community world? Please. Okay, I'll accept if you friend me. Bye, you too. My arm is stuck.